Chubby cheeks, often associated with youthfulness and vitality, are a coveted facial feature across cultures. They add a touch of softness to the face, enhancing its overall appeal. Full cheeks can make you appear healthier and more vibrant. If you're looking to achieve fuller cheeks naturally, there are several proven methods you can incorporate into your daily routine. Facial exercises, hydration, and a balanced diet are all natural ways to enhance cheek fullness. These methods work by stimulating collagen production, improving skin elasticity, and promoting overall facial muscle tone. While results may vary, consistent effort and a holistic approach can lead to noticeable changes over time. Whether you're aiming for a subtle enhancement or a more dramatic transformation, embracing natural methods allows you to achieve your desired look safely and effectively. Remember, patience and consistency are key when it comes to achieving long-lasting results in your quest for chubby cheeks. Facial exercises are a great way to tone your cheek muscles and promote a fuller appearance. These exercises work by engaging specific facial muscles, improving blood circulation, and stimulating collagen production. One effective exercise is the cheek lift, where you smile as wide as possible and hold for a few seconds, repeating several times. Another beneficial exercise is the cheek puff, where you fill your mouth with air and move it from one cheek to the other. This exercise targets the muscles responsible for cheek volume, helping to create a plumper look. Consistency is key when it comes to facial exercises. Aim to perform these exercises for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily for optimal results. Remember to start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your exercises as your facial muscles become stronger. With dedication and regular practice, you'll be well on your way to achieving naturally fuller, more defined cheeks. Proper hydration and a balanced diet are essential for maintaining skin elasticity and promoting overall facial fullness. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your skin hydrated and plump, contributing to a fuller appearance in your cheeks. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as fruits and vegetables, can protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Healthy fats, found in avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, are crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and volume. These fats help keep your skin moisturized from the inside out, contributing to a plumper, more youthful look. Incorporate these foods into your diet to nourish your skin and enhance cheek fullness. Limit your intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, as these can contribute to skin dehydration and inflammation, leading to a loss of facial volume. By prioritizing hydration and a nutrient-rich diet, you can support your skin's health and enhance the fullness of your cheeks. Certain lifestyle changes can also contribute to fuller cheeks by promoting overall health and well-being. Getting enough sleep is crucial, as it allows your body to repair and regenerate cells, including those in your skin. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support skin health and maintain facial fullness. Managing stress through relaxation techniques like yoga or meditation can also benefit your skin. Stress can lead to collagen breakdown and inflammation, which can contribute to a loss of facial volume. By reducing stress levels, you can protect your skin and maintain a more youthful appearance. Additionally, protecting your skin from sun damage is essential. Excessive sun exposure can lead to collagen breakdown and premature aging, resulting in a loss of facial volume. Wear sunscreen daily, even on cloudy days, and avoid prolonged sun exposure to maintain the elasticity and fullness of your cheeks. Many individuals have achieved noticeable results in their quest for chubby cheeks through natural methods. Sarah, a 32-year-old woman, noticed a difference in her cheek fullness after incorporating facial exercises and a healthy diet into her routine. She shared, "I started doing cheek lifts and puffs daily, and I also made sure to drink plenty of water and eat lots of fruits and vegetables. After a few weeks, I noticed my cheeks looked fuller and more defined." John, a 45-year-old man, experienced similar results after focusing on hydration and stress management. He said, "I used to be stressed all the time, and I could see it taking a toll on my face. I started meditating regularly and making an effort to drink more water, and I'm amazed at how much fuller my cheeks look now." These stories highlight the effectiveness of natural methods in enhancing cheek fullness. By adopting these lifestyle changes and remaining consistent with your efforts, you too can achieve noticeable and long-lasting results. In conclusion, achieving chubby cheeks naturally is an attainable goal with the right approach. By incorporating facial exercises, prioritizing hydration and a balanced diet, and making healthy lifestyle changes, you can enhance your cheek fullness and achieve a more youthful and radiant appearance. Remember that results may vary depending on individual factors, but consistency and patience are key. Embrace the journey towards fuller cheeks as part of a holistic approach to self-care. Focus on nourishing your body from the inside out and celebrate the natural beauty that radiates from within. Whether you achieve subtly enhanced cheeks or a more dramatic transformation, the most important aspect is feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Remember, true beauty lies in embracing your individuality and highlighting your best features naturally. By adopting these proven tips and tricks, you can enhance your natural assets and achieve the full, youthful cheeks you desire.